express 0.625 in the form of p by q. That is how to express 0.625 as a fraction. So in the numerator and denominator, for numerator just keeps this decimal and write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit you have to consider 10. 10 for 6, 10 for 2, 10 for 5, and you have to write as a multiplication. Now reduce this fraction to its lowest term. How to do that? Just divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so 5 is the common factor. If you divide this 10 by 5, it will get 2. If you divide this 625 by 5, you will get what? 5 goes into 6 one time 5, 5. Subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 5 goes into 12, 2 times 5, 10. Subtract 2, bring down another. 25. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So 5 times 5, 25. So we have to write 125. Again, this 125 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 5. So, and this is divisible by 5. We will get 2, and 5 goes into 12. 2 times 5, 10. Subtract 2, bring down another 0, another 5. 5 goes into 25, 5. 5 times 5, 25. So 25. Again, this 10 is divisible by 5, we get 2. And if we divide this 25 by 5, we'll get 5. So basically, we are getting 5 over 2 times 2 times 2. So what is that? 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 5 over 8. There is no common factor between 5 and 8 without 1. So this is the lowest term.